A resource accreditation team from the Medical Laboratory Science Council of Nigeria has visited Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria for the full accreditation of a program at the Department of Medical Laboratory Science of the university. Receiving the team at the conference hall when they paid a courtesy visit, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, said the university was happy to receive the team in the institution and was ready to share their expertise with them. According to him, the visit would give the university the opportunity to showcase its commitment to excellence and to seek insight and recommendation of the council for further improvement. Earlier, the team led by Professor Tosan Ihabo said the team was in the university for resource verification and assess the quality of the program being run in the university. He said the exercise would also give the team the opportunity to see if everything is up to the standard. While commending the founder of the university, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, for establishing the university and equipped with the state-of-the-art facilities, Professor Ihabo said the institution will be a model university in the near future. He expressed appreciation for the warm reception accorded to them on their arrival to the university. Responding, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, pledged that the university will give the team the maximum support and the cooperation to ensure the success of the exercise. The three other members of the resource accreditation team were Professor Shehu Akiaru, Professor Obonna Idumi, and Mr. Daniel Ame.